So good morning, everybody. So welcome to the Ulamp Module Partner Recruitment. It's a pleasure to see you online. So my name is Fisher, the head of the Module Business Division. So we have planned to travel to meet you face by face, but due to the special situation, so we have to be online now. So the full event will include 5 parts. Part A is about the market situation and tendency. We start the partner recruitment campaign because we have seen that the module market is so big and increase so fast. So we'd like to invite you to explore and plan the market together. The part B is about how we can win the market. The part C is the successful partners from like Russia, like India, like Vietnam. So how they can do so successful in short time. So in the half year, they have done more than $1 million from zero. The 4th part is about the customer system plan in the rest of this year and what's the benefits that we can offer to you. So the last part is the real part, that what's the special discount we can give you. So let's go to, from the before the first part, I would like to introduce the independent brand, the Ulamp from Ulamp Group. It's an independent brand for module products. So why we use this brand? Because for independent, in this way, the independent module brand, that we can give you the independent support. So this is the slogan for our Ulamp modules. So Ulamp channels a value way to the world. So why we would say like this? Because it's from Ulamp Group. So Ulamp is a worldwide famous brand in LED industry. So which we can bring more values for your business. As you can see in our product layout in the next parts, so our plenty of product line will help you to catch more opportunities compared with our competitors. You have more business opportunities. So here is the data. So from the chart, you can say that the commercial display market growth is about 13 every year increase. So in this high increase rate in 2024, so the total volume of the LED business, LED display business will be around $3.2 million. It's a huge market for all of us. So, but we have to say that the whole market from this chart, that the major market is the price, cost-friendly market. So the right product is the module to meet all these kind of demands. So, and also this kind of demand, this kind of tendency was improved by the data. So this is the module export data. So from the data, you can say that every year the increase is about double every year. So even in the last year, 2020, the special situation years, so the module of the sales was not influenced by the virus. So, and also up to now, this year, half year, so it's nearly about the same sales from 2020. So we believe that in this year, the figures will be also double. So we believe this kind of market is valuable for all of us. These 10 countries or 10 areas was, the key markets. From these countries, we can see that all this kind of market was in the area like CIS countries, the Latin America, and also Asia, Middle East, and also Africa. And also in these areas, the module take about nearly 30%. So, and also this and also this the rate is still keeping increase. So after I think last 2 months ago, I just visit like Belarus and also Ukraine, and also the Uzbekistan, and also my colleague with like Vietnam and also Indonesia. So we found that why module is so popular in these areas. So besides the price, not just the price, and besides the price, the government encourage the companies to made in locally, because these countries or these areas all has the very mutual industry foundation. They have the ability to make locally, and also the labor cost. I found the labor cost is very, very good. Very good compared to even now some countries compared with China. The labor cost is more competitive. So that's why they choose to buy the modules and make the cabinets by themselves, because in this way they also can meet the customer demand timely. And also this kind of way is improved by the China market. From here, you can see that Ulamp just jumped to this kind of market from 2018, and every year we get at least double, have to be double, because our sales target is there. The most important thing is that we found that in this moment, the China market have changed by the structure for the LD industry. I think this kind of tendency will be happening in the overseas, because now China market or the China LD display industry is always 2 or 3 years ahead compared with the overseas market. So we believe this kind of structure changes will be happening overseas in the near future. So this is the opportunities for the modules. Actually, some people think just for modules, maybe the first application is indoor. Actually, it's not just indoor, because I just mentioned that I have traveled around some countries. We found many more companies, and also more and more peoples. They found that it can also do outdoor for the locally, because they have the ability to get the waterproof, to get the ability to make the cabinets locally. So outdoor is also they can do in the future. So this is the cases we have done in the past half year. So because I just mentioned for our sales, we just jumped to the module business half year, and also this kind of the projects was done by like India, like Vietnam, and also in Russia, like Indonesia. We have done many famous projects by modules. So we believe in the future we can do more business by modules. So welcome to enjoy our whole business. So thank you very much. Welcome. Thank you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Bill Liu. I hope from the market insight part, you have known that the module market is so big and it is increasing so fast. Of course, we cannot miss the market opportunity. Ulamp has been achieving great progress in the module, and we are the leading one. So now, how can we achieve such a big progress within such a short time? Let's have a look on our module advantages. Here is the module advantage over others. Our brand premium and our various product line. Ulamp has been the top one in the LED display suppliers, and we have been doing the #1 for so many years. And our product is the most recognized brand all over the world. And it is famous globally. In that way, the more famous your brand it is, the more profit rate you can achieve because of the brand premium. With so many features, we can see that it is easier for us to get more customers because the more customers know you and the more easier you can get the projects. That's easier for you to expand the market share and increase your sales revenue after you work with us. One of the advantages of working with us is that we have so many product lines. Module is just a starting point of cooperation because anytime, anywhere, you maybe have some projects which needs a lot of product lines. For example, we have the professional display and the commercial display, and we also have the media architecture and the other lighting solutions. For Unilumi, we can combine all of them and design it properly for you. That is the systematic advantage over others. Here we have a look on our product family. Here are the module series and some other cabinets. On the left hand side, we can see the P series. It's the most cost-effective product so far. It is used to increase the market share. And then is the TV series. It is used in the customized market. If customer has some other requirements, the TV is for them. And then is the UDA and the UDT. This is the cabinet product, and the key feature is the energy saving. And we also have a new product for you, the FCM. It is the 16:9 in the size ratio. And we are also going to introduce more just like the smart modules and so on. We never stop ourselves in the progress of inventing more products. Let's have a look on our new arrival, the FCM series. First, this product is designed for the control room or some other high-end applications, just like the exhibition and some very high-end shopping mall, the showroom, and so on. The pixel pitch starts from P1.2 to P2.5. The size ratio is 16:9. This one is the most comfortable for our human eye vision. And then is the aluminum back cover. That is for our heat dissipation efficiency. And then is the auto calibration. It is for our auto calibration. And then is the super thin. The last is about the super wide viewing angle. Here is our 3 versions for your options. The Pro has the aluminum cover and the auto calibration. And then the normal one is with the aluminum cover. And the light version, it has the plastic cover. All these products for your option, it depends on the project requirements. Of course, the budget of the customer. That is the most important maybe. Here we have a look on our 4 core features. The first is the visual result. You know, when you go to the movie theater, you can see that the video format may be 16:9. Do you know why? Because that is the most comfortable and it can achieve the best visual effect. And our product is designed for it. And then is the heat dissipation. Our product temperature rise is 10 Celsius degree below the normal modules. You know, the lower the working temperature it is, the more stable it can be. And it can also achieve longer lifespan. And that is the energy efficiency. The products use just 1 kilowatt hour for 1 day. That is very important for reducing the power bill because the power bill, the price is not cheap. And the last is the auto calibration. It is good for our efficiency maintenance. Here we have a look on the energy saving. Here is the calculation. And the most big features is the energy saving. It can up to almost 40%. As we can see, if we use the screen for 10 hours a day, a screen of about 100 square meter, we can save more than $5,000 each year. Usually the screen can use for 3 years or more, so that this cost is very big. It can be reduced. Here is the auto calibration. Because our module has a flash chip, which can save the data to support the auto calibration. You know, every time we change the modules with the new one, we need to spend a lot of time doing the calibration. Maybe for some advertising company, that is most important because every time, every second they use on doing the calibration, they lost a lot of money. And especially for some control room, just such as the military command room or the TV studio, that time they are more important. With the snap maintenance, the customer will like it best because the less time you spend on doing the maintenance, the more convenience is for the customer. Here we have a look on the back cover. That is designed for the heat dissipation. First here, the back cover, we can do it to 9.5 mil in the thickness. And then we increase the heat dissipation area, about 30% increase. And that is the aluminum cover. You know aluminum, it ensures the heat transmit more easier from the other side. Here we have a look on the two hot cell products. The P series, you know, this one. This one is for the super cost effective. And then the configuration is standard. The standard brightness, the standard refresh rate, 1900. And then some customers, if they want some high brightness or high refresh rate, we also have the TV series for them. This one is for the customized market. For some outdoor, maybe they need 6,000 brightness, and for indoor, they need the high refresh rate to 3,800. We can all satisfy the customer demand. Customer demand is our first priority. Here we have the UDA series, it's the energy saving. Some customers are asking, because now we are talking about the module products, why do we have the cabinet products? That we have two reasons. The first is that you can see here, we have the P1.2. That's a very small piece of pitch, you know. And then, when we use it in the control room or the TV studio, it requires high flatness. With the cabinet, it's easier to ensure the high flatness. When you look at the screen, it looks nice. And the second reason is that for some countries or for some customers, they don't have the skillful technician to do it first. So we use the cabinet for their options. This product, we can achieve the front and rear installation, and we can do the front maintenance for the modules. And for the refresh rate, it's very high, so you can use it for the control room, for some TV studio, or any other places. That is enough. And we have some cases for it. Let us show you later. This product utility is for the outdoor. It is designed to use in the all weather conditions. Its features is super high protection. And our products, the energy saving is about 27%. You know, for the outdoor product, the power consumption is very high. So when you use it, you can save a lot of energy because the energy bill, when you save it, you can increase the profit rate. And for some advertising company or for ordinary user, they concern about the power consumption a lot. For the above product, we have seen their key features and advantage, and they have been used in the global applications. So let's have a look on them. And they have been used in a lot of high-end applications also. For example, the TV studios. This one is in India, and for some church also. This one is used in South Korea. And this one we have tested all over the world. This one, the UDT series, from the humid, hot, rainy area, just like Indonesia, it's okay. It's also in the northern countries with freezing weather. They are also working stably with excellent features. Here we have the 600 square meter in this country. Here is the P2.5 in Vietnam. The Ocean Park, it is a landmark shopping mall locally. And every day, a lot of customers go around there. They can see this screen. It's working perfectly and even has the 90-degree corner. And our product, we can achieve it, and it is working fine. Here is the TV for outdoor, TV6. And we have used this one in the outside of the movie theater. I hope in this part you can know about the advantage of our products. And now, how is the advantage of working with Unilumi? Let's have a look on the video sharing from some customers. That's all. Thank you.
My great pleasure to welcome you here this afternoon to introduce our company to you. Nam Hai Technology and Trading Joint Stock Company with brand name Micro were established in 2013. Micro has developed in the field of LED display products distributor based on the experience of the leaders. Micro currently has been rated as a leading company in the field of LED display component distribution in Vietnam, in which many brands distributed by Micro has become popular in Vietnam. In 2017, Micro became the exclusive distributor of Trangland's products. Currently, Trangland's product display power supply products account 50% of the market share in Vietnam. In 2018, Micro were the first company to distribute NovaStar products. Up to now, Micro is one of two companies in Vietnam that is a partner of NovaStar. In addition, Micro has built an engineering department that can handle all stages from design to construction, ensure compliance with the technical and safety standards of Vietnam. They allow to provide the best support to the customers, always accompanying with the success of the customer is Micro slogan. Micro always wants to provide customer the best solution and the best products. You can see more information about Micro through our website Micro.
Namaste. This is Venkatesh, Managing Director of Radiant Signage Private Limited, Bangalore, India. On this occasion of being an UL2 member, we at Radiant Signage take this opportunity to thank Unilumin, our partner, for the wide range of LED displays. It speaks volumes about Unilumin's range of LED displays, crafted for every segment like professional, commercial, rental, do and sports. And it addresses verticals like corporate, hospitality, retail and so on. Radiant Signage is a turnkey digital information and signage solutions provider for all the verticals and have our presence seen and felt in this industry a little over 6+ years. We have our offices in Mumbai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Chennai, Pune and head office in Bengaluru. We have installed active LED video wall with Unilumin. We are highly satisfied with the products and appreciate the workmanship of each LED module, which I believe could have been possible only with stringent quality check and control. The SLA on warranty goes a long way, and it's professionally charted for partners like us to understand its scope, service, type, period, and all that caught my eye is on the product return to repair process, which companies have failed to put that into process. With Unilumin, I passionately believe that it has laid its scope for a long run. The global LED displays market is assessed around $150 billion, and with Unilumin spread across Europe, USA, APAC, Middle East and Africa, it's poised to be truly global forerunner. And at Radiant Signage, we look forward to dig in our hands into this segment with Unilumin's aggressive pricing, technological disruptive innovations, quality control, technical support and continual patronage. Wishing all of Unilumin's team and Team Radiant Signage a very successful year ahead. Thank you.
Добрый день, друзья! Я Игорь Никулин, группа компании Modern Light. Мои коллеги из Unilumin попросили меня сделать небольшое интервью с рассказом о том, как мы познакомились, как работали, чего достигли. Я хочу сказать одну вещь, что за все время работы, а это более 20 лет, у нас с китайскими партнерами всегда складывались хорошие отношения. Принцип простой. Относитесь к своим партнерам так, как хотите, чтобы относились к вам. И такой род общения мы поддерживаем с Unilumin уже более 10 лет, а возможно даже и больше. Наше знакомство произошло в довольно интересной, забавной форме. Мы сделали один из наших первых больших проектов. Это медиафасады на гостиницах «Белка» и «Золотое кольцо». Это был первый медиафасад в России и, пожалуй, в Европе. Сделан был из обычных трубок с очень низкой яркостью, так что все это работало только ночью. И когда очередной клиент попросил нас светодиодный экран, естественно, я обратился к своим друзьям, с которыми мы делали этот фасад, порекомендовать компанию, которая занимается светодиодными экранами. И меня познакомили с владельцами компании Unilumin, с которыми мы дружим и общаемся до сегодняшнего дня. С другой стороны, заказчик нашел своего поставщика и попросил меня заехать к ним. Я приехал в офис в Шэньчжэне, пообщался и попросил привезти на фабрику. И какое было мое удивление, когда они меня привезли на фабрику Unilumin, на которой я уже был. Когда я спросил, что происходит, менеджеры Unilumin ответили, что это просто партнеры, показали мне комнату, в которой было колоссальное количество вывесок, которые меняли в момент, когда партнер привозил своих заказчиков на фабрику. И на такой забавной ноте началось наше общение, наша работа. Мы сделали экран для клуба «Империя», клуба «Рай» и множество других, таких как «Пача», «Френдс». И началась эра медиафасадов. Мы сделали первые медиафасады на Ленинградском шоссе, на Большой Тульской, который работает по сей день и показывает хорошее качество изображения, надежную работу. Я бы сказал, что мы выезжали за 10 лет работы этих фасадов, наверное, по каждому объекту не более 4 раз. Дальше были проекты по обычные экраны. Был смонтирован большой по тем временам экран на Ростовской набережной, на которой крутился ролик Samsung 300 квадратных метров, который тоже отработал порядка 6 лет до его демонтажа по организационным вопросам. Было сделано много экранов внутренних, были сделаны медиафасады для торговых центров, европейский торговый центр в Курске, большой полукруглый красивый фасад размером 650 квадратных метров. И, наверное, самым интересным и самым большим проектом с компанией Ulamp у нас был медиафасад на стадионе Рубин, Казань-Арена. Медиафасад также с небольшим закруглением, нестандартной формы, размером 3650 квадратных метров. За все время работы с компанией мы всегда получали очень серьезную, профессиональную, теплую поддержку в наших проектах, получали очень хорошие условия по поставке экранов, сопровождению. И учитывая весь этот опыт, все наше общение, мы планируем продолжать работу, я думаю, еще очень многие-многие годы, устанавливая заказчикам замечательное, надежное оборудование. Спасибо большое. Желаю всем хороших, интересных, рентабельных проектов, долгого существования компании. Всем удачи!
Welcome, all my friends. Thanks for joining us today. So this is Anna. Yeah, I guess after you listening our partners sharing, you have more confidence in Ulamp module business. So now let's discuss more about our customer system of module business. Yeah, I will present you from these 4 parts: customer type, market scale standards, customer development plan, and also how we support our partners. So for the module business, what business model we have? Usually we have these 4 main models: distributor, core partner, brand representative, and also authorized dealer. So for the distributor, certainly we have the top support for distributors, and they also have the higher responsibility, like the local stock, sub-sales channel development, and also like the marketing. Then is the core partner. Core partner is the main business model in our system. So for this, they do the main contribution of the sales in Ulamp. Third is the brand representative. So for the brand representative, usually usually for this is for the cluster countries. So that means these countries, the LED business, like the module business, is developing. Like Africa, like some African countries, and also some Latin American countries. Then the fourth is the authorized dealer. So for this is just many to do to sell the lamp modules. Then about the market scale. So how do we define the market? Usually we have 4 markets. First is the big size countries, middle size, small size, and also mini size. So for the big size, this means the market scale is more than $10 million, like Russian, like Indian. So for this market, for the module, we develop a distributor and also core partners. Then is the middle size. Middle size is like for example, like Indonesia. And also like for these countries, the market scale for the module is around 5 million. So for this market, we mainly develop core partners, or we can also develop a distributor. Then is the small size. So the small size, it means that for the module business, the turnover is like around $2 million. So for this, we mainly develop the core partners like Mexico. And of course, if the market develops fast and also goes well, we can also develop for the go to the distributor model. Then the fourth is the mini-sized country. So that means for at these countries, the module business is just a small, very small part, very small portion. So for this, the scale is only like under $1 million, like some African and Middle East. So for this, many is the brand representatives, and also some we can do the core partners. Here you can see this in the circle. You can see this is the sixth circle of that. So that 6, means in China we means like it's very lucky. It's very lucky number. So for this that's also why we have these 6 main regions to develop the module business. Certainly we already have some big development and also progress in the Asian countries. Like so about the this is the the 6 regions. Actually Ulamp start module business just we can see around 6 months. We started last year because of the COVID, so we can see that the cash flow is very challenging for every company. So people is more cautious to buy, to invest. That's why we start the module business. So just half a year, actually, we already covered 20 countries. So these countries, including like for the Asian area, like we already done, and also the result is also very good. Like in India, in Vietnam, in Indonesia, in Malaysia. So certainly for other countries like Pakistan, Philippines, and also like Taiwan, Hong Kong area. So we also need to work very hard. So if you can see like how to become Ulamp partner for the module business. So certainly we also have some requirements. So first is the brand. So for this partner need to accept the Ulamp brand. So this is we use Ulamp brand for the module business just in case the market get confused about the Ulamp brand. Then second is the sales target. So certainly we will have different sales target for different business model partner. Then third is the sub-dealer. So because we need, especially for the distributor and also for the core partners, we need them to develop the sub-channel together with us. Then fourth is the stock. So need to have the local rotating stock at local. And then is the service. So for our partners, so because for the module, certainly we need to provide the pre-sales and also after-sales services. So we need our partner engineers is very seasoned. Certainly for this, we will also provide training for them. Now we come to the supporting policy. So we speak a lot about like the qualification. So how about support? How Ulinumi can support our partner get stronger and also get more market share? Here we can see this is the six main parts. We like to use 6. It's a very good number here. Yeah. So first is the partner price. We have very healthy price structure. So for our partner, the price, certainly if you sign the agreement, the price will be very, very good. And then second is the stock supply priority. I guess now at this moment, this is very important because now, I guess you already know the component market problem here. So the stock is very, very important because for the fast delivery time. Yeah. And then the showroom. So we will also support our partner for the sample support to build the showroom and the training. So for the training, we including like the market training, the sales training, and also the technical training. So it's a full arrangement. And then the marketing activity. So for our partner, we will also do co-marketing together. So we also support, and also we will support our partner to do like the roadshow, the exhibition, and also like some product launch. And then the first is the big project support. Of course, for some module business, we also have some very big projects. So for this, we also have very special support. Yeah. Okay. And then here is our partner in Vietnam and also in India. You can see we have support their showroom, and also they become the Ulinumi distributor. Yeah, really appreciate their support. Okay, so that's all. Thank you. Hi, Anna again. Yeah, now this is the most exciting part. I guess now you need to wake up and also need to know for what promotion Ulinumi have for today's event. Promotion. So everyone here? Yeah. For the promote, we prepared some modules to thank you our partner to attend our event. So first is the 2.5. 2.5. Now the market, the market price is around $31 per piece, but now our promotion price can be $27.99 one piece. And the quantity is only $5,000, 5,000 pieces. Yeah. Second is the 10,000 P3. So the promotion price is already cheaper, $2 per piece. So if you buy earlier, actually you can save your investment, save your money. And then come to outdoor. So for the outdoor, we have like P4. So you can also see the price, the promotion is very, very good. For the marketing price is $32 per piece. Now our price can be $28.5 per piece. The quantity is only 5,000 pieces. And then this is very good because for P6 we have the 10,000 pieces on promotion. So and also you can see the price is cheaper. It's cheaper like $1 per piece here. And then is the P10. P10 for the promotion, our promotion price is already less, $3 per piece than the market price. But the quantity is only 5,000 pieces. So if you have needs, have projects, need to buy earlier. And for all these promotion modules, the validation period is only 1 month from our today event. So buy earlier. Yeah, thank you.